Welcome to Treescape Power, where we're revolutionizing the landscape industry with our innovative drone package. Are you looking to enhance your landscape business? Our Drone Tech Program package is designed to help you work smarter, not harder. With our Treescape Drone Tech Program package, you'll receive a high-quality drone, controller, and accessories, everything you need to get started. But that's not all. We provide comprehensive training and certification to ensure your team is proficient in operating drones safely and effectively.
By using drones for inspections and monitoring, you can improve efficiency, enhance safety, and save costs compared to traditional methods. Take your landscape business to new heights with Treescape Power and our drone package. Contact us today to learn more. Discover the possibilities with Treescape Power.